To draw cricket stumps, you have to do lots of vertical lines. I'll start about here. And let's just come down, 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 down. And just need to have a steady-ish hand, I suppose. And let's go down, 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 down like that. And then at the top, you want a curve. So that's one. And then we want to have a bale width, don't we? So let's come down, 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 and another one next to it. So this is the difficult bit, is having them all look the same distance apart. And then we want a little curve on the top of that one. And we'll come that same distance again, and then come down and down and down. And that same thickness again. This is the hard bit is keeping consistent, isn't it? Like that. Okay. And then we can maybe make this a little bit longer. If we're sort of careful about it down at the bottom. So our stumps are stuck in the ground, and we can just put some little grassy marks down there, and then maybe the grass can be a bit longer in between, and those are just little flicky lines. Okay, now sometimes stumps have these little lines just scored on them, so they're rotated in a lathe as they're making them, and then as they go and sort of scratch three little lines on there like that. And then we're going to want to have the bales. Okay, so these are just going to be sticking out over the end like that. So they're the same kind of width, like that, over the top there. We want the same thing happening here. And then these are, so they're bales, so there are two bales. So they're sort of cut in half there. And you might want, this might help you a bit just to have very gentle pencil line in there to get the top and the bottom heights the same, like that. And nowadays bales seem to be all this kind of shape, so you've got to try and squeeze these in there and, and get the right number in. So that's the difficult bit. Okay, is making them get the same number, so they're all about the same thickness there. That one worked a lot better. And then of course you can erase those pencil lines, and if you didn't press too hard, no one will know that was ever there. And then we can just do these little bits all the way up the sides. Now this takes a bit of time. It's not actually touching the side, it's just slightly to one side, and this just helps to give a bit of shadow and the feeling that it's curved. And as I say, just take your time and work your way through it all. And while I'm doing this, if you need a break, why don't you click that subscribe button, because it really does help this channel to grow, and it allows me to keep making more how to draw videos for you. Let's do the other side. Actually, shall I just speed through the rest of this? I'll see you on the other side. And we can add a little bit more. Just put little dots in across there. And just down on the bottom there, just little dots inside those little sausages. And that will give you a kind of a 3D effect. And then if you want to make them look a little bit woody, then you need to do these kind of wobbly lines going through like that. And you can't go too wrong, I don't think. But you just going at a slight sort of angle, and that can come around that way like that. There we are. All you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Come back again and draw stuff real easy. Bye.